Hello, my name is Dr. Robert Odom. I'm the Medical Director and CEO of Odom Medical Group. We're located on 2800 Chicago Avenue, right across from Abbott Hospital in the neighborhood of Minneapolis. I'd like to tell you this wonderful practice that has come to this neighborhood. We do have a rich history. I myself worked in this neighborhood about 10 years ago, and I felt that our community needed a very appropriate and culturally friendly clinic where they can receive the care that they need. I've spent the last 5 to 6, 8 years dreaming and planning to put together a first-class practice that is culturally appropriate and culturally friendly. Our current mission is to serve our neighborhood, particularly our East African patients from Somalia, various parts of East Africa, Kenya and Ethiopia. We're geared to serve them in a way that is culturally appropriate. We do know that healthcare is affected a lot by people's perception. And so, as an organization, we pay very close attention to the people who come to seek care from us. We want to offer them a respectful environment. We want to show them that we value them, and we want to be here with a voice that would advocate for their health and to make sure that they become healthy and be able to meet the needs of their families, friends, and loved ones. And so, when you come to our clinic, you would realize that you are the center of focus. From the time that you check in, all the way to the time that you see the doctor and get all your various tests done. One of the things that we're also trying to incorporate here is to make sure that when you leave the clinic, that is not the end of the story. We have established a strong follow-up system that will follow up and see how you're doing. We would like to know how the medications we wrote for you are working. We would also like to communicate to you the various tests that we performed. And if you need any further follow-up, we would aggressively pursue to make sure that you get the care that you need. Another unique thing about us is our location. We're currently located at the junction of 2800 and Chicago Avenue, right across from the Abbott Northwestern Hospital. And so we're located in this neighborhood which provides first-class medical care. There are all kinds of good specialist doctors within our neighborhood that we can refer you to. And to make it simple, when you come to our clinic, it's almost like a one-stop location for everything that you need. We have neurologists right in our neighborhood. We have physical therapists in our building. We have colorectal surgeons in our building. We have orthopedists in our building. We have gynecologists in our building. And we have obstetricians who take care of pregnant women. Our building is also connected to the hospital by a tunnel. We are not very far from the Children's Hospital right here in Minneapolis. And so our location makes it very appropriate for you to get the care that you need quickly. And to put more icing on the cake, we have free parking. When you come to our clinic, the parking ramp is right next door. You can park in. You don't have to walk a long distance to come over to our clinic. We are right on the first floor, and it's very appropriate. We have also been able to acquire first-class medical equipment which would make sure that we are able to diagnose you quickly and at the first time. We work with one of the best laboratories here in the country, and we make sure that all your tests are done appropriately. We also have some special services that we offer. We see children from age 2 months all the way up to 18 years. And we provide all the shots that you need for school. We do sports physical for all your children who are interested in participating in sports. We also have a strong interest in asthma in children. And we try to make sure that these kids have the appropriate care that they need. We're also interested in diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol problems. We even have expertise in male sexual health. And we're here to serve this community and to provide them with all the needs when it comes to their health care. Not only are we interested in providing you care in the clinic, but we also connect with the community. We plan to have a strong community advocacy program. We would visit you at your various community centers, much more importantly at the Brian Cole Center. We plan to come over to pay you visits at your various malls that are close in this neighborhood so that we can see firsthand your daily life. I can assure you that we have come into this community to stay. And we have come here again to provide first-class care that you'd find in any clinic in Minnesota. We want you to come to our clinic, and we assure you that we will discover anything that is causing you problems, and we will provide you with the most appropriate care. Thank you. And again, my name is Dr. Robert Labi Odom, Odom Medical Group. Thank you.